Okay, nhớ trong số bởi nhóm tên alone này, right? 30 months ấy. Đây sau đó. Yeah.
Dạ, 7 tháng.
How is everybody doing today? If you haven't seen my last video, go check that out. If you haven't subscribed, share the video. I'm gonna take you on this journey, teach you a little bit more about Cambodia. I'm about to hop on the ferry. It's a little noisy in the ferry, so I'm not gonna do a lot of talking while on the ferry. But I kind of want to show you the neighborhood where I go to the gym at, so you can just get a sense of what's going on in the city. And when you're here in Cambodia, it's very important, especially if you're a Westerner, what city you want to live in, and the comfortability you want to be in. So let me hop on the ferry, and as soon as I get to the city, we will continue the vlog. So how many of you love Thai food or Vietnamese food? Well, this is what makes Cambodia different from those two countries. In Thailand, majority of the time when you go out, you're probably just going to have Thai food. Like, it's a rare occasion that you'll see Cambodian food, you'll see Vietnamese food. Do they have it? Yes, but to find it is not as easy. Same with Vietnam. I love Vietnam. Vietnam's a beautiful country. The food's amazing. But the problem is, it's hard to find a variety of different foods you want to eat when you're in those countries. That's what I love about Cambodia. Cambodia is probably, for me, when it comes to food, you get Cambodian food, you get Thai food, and you get Vietnamese food. That's what makes Cambodia stand out. Cambodia has such a mixed array of people. There's Thai people living here, there's Vietnamese people living here amongst everyone else, us foreigners. So that's one good thing I love about Cambodia, is the food options. No matter where you live, I think the neighborhood is important. Where you decide to live is gonna be dependent on what you're looking for, where you are in your age, what you like, and what do you like to do? For me, I like going to the gym, so definitely gyms here are, at least the ones I've been going to, are about $3 a day. Super nice. I'm gonna walk around the neighborhood. I think this neighborhood is called Tu Tompong, or it's close to it. And what I love about Asia in general, it's such a walkable city. No matter where you decide to live, you're always gonna have restaurants, coffee, massages, ATMs, salons, all that good stuff. And before I head out to the gym, I'm just gonna walk around this neighborhood really fast just to show you. And again, in Asia, the pedestrians do not have the right of way. Just remember that. Motorcycles have the right of way over people, and cars have the right of way over the motorcycles. So you gotta be careful. No sudden movements, just stay in your line, and then the drivers will navigate past you. That way you don't get injured. There's a beauty salon here. I want to show you guys real quick how it looks. Just like anywhere you go, there's gonna be levels to things, right? How much you wanna spend for certain things. It all depends on what you want, the level of comfortability, what you want. There's different ranges for everybody. So if you're a baller and you want to spend $100 or more doing hair, makeup, and all that stuff, they got it. Or you can spend anywhere from $3 to $5, they got it. So it all depends. There's a massage place I saw right here. for an hour, $5. So I might check it out, and then tell you guys how that goes. I just made it to the gym, and you can see they have a very nice parking space. You know, it's funny because when people hear Cambodia, they think of a third world, and for sure it's developing. There's parts of Cambodia that is very third world-y, very village-y. And then there's parts of Cambodia where you're like, I can't believe this is Cambodia, right? So again, I love just seeing all parts of Cambodia. It just makes the experience better. I don't want to give a one-sided opinion, but I've been to places like 15, 20 minutes outside of the city where, you know, like you feel like time stood still there. People are living a lifestyle that they've been living for decades, 2 decades, generations, and it's just beautiful to watch and see. Do I feel safe in Cambodia? Absolutely, I feel safe. There was no Asian country that I've been to, and I'm talking about Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, and Bali, where I didn't feel unsafe. However, you know, maybe it's just me. My energy is always good. I always give good vibes. I don't go to places where I don't supposed to go. I don't drink. You know, if you go to like places where there's a bunch of people partying, drinking, just from experience, you know, if anything bad that was gonna happen, I'll probably be right there. So I'm gonna head into the gym. I'm gonna get my workout in, and I think today I'm gonna pay the membership, which is $60. It's better than paying $3 a day. So I'll save $90. I'll save $30. So I'm gonna do that and get a good workout, and then I will hopefully try to chat with you guys after. If not, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for liking, subscribing. I'm gonna show you more neighborhoods when I can. Right now it's just super hot, so the best time to actually like walk in Cambodia, it's the afternoon, but then the sun starts to set, and then my cameras don't work as well with no lighting. So today I'm gonna sign up for the 1 month membership. Can you sign up today? 30 days from today, right? But you sign up a membership 1 month. ពីថ្ងៃនេះ ដល់ពីថ្ងៃនោះដល់ចុងខែបងមានថាបងចង់ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងយើងនឹងបញ្ចប់ដល់បងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងដូចគ្នាបាទ so បើខ្ញុំទិនសបត់ឲ្យមកចាត់ថាចង់លេចេះតិចអូខេខ្ញុំចង់សួរបើខ្ញុំទិន alone នេះ right 30 month អី3សរយ៉ា3ខែខ្ញុំដាក់មកលុយចឹងមកវិញខ្ញុំមិនចេះថាមានន័យថាបង I just have a hard time translating here មានន័យថាបងចង់បងរយៈពេល3ខែត្រអត់បងបាទចាក្នុងមួយខែyeah so ឥឡូវនេះថ្ងៃនេះអញ្ចឹង30 days ពីថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបង់ again right ចា okay ខ្ញុំចង់ដឹងអញ្ចឹង okay អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចង់you a credit card okay so I just signed up for a 30 days membership. It's $60, but there was a promotion today, so if you buy 1 month you get the second month free. That's pretty cool. I got a free month, but as you can see my Cambodian is not the best, but I just want to ask her if I start my membership today, so it's going to be 30 months from today, and I didn't know how to say prorated in Cambodian. So you know some gyms when you sign up during in the middle of the month, you just pay for that middle of the month, and then the new month start, and then your whole business cycle just starts brand new. Well, that's what I was trying to ask her, but nonetheless I got the membership. I'm gonna be here for 2 months, gonna get my workout in, and super excited. The membership is the way to go if you're gonna be here for long term, but if you're gonna be here for like 2 weeks, because I know most Americans get about 10 days vacation, excluding weekends. So if you're here and you want to work out, $3 a day, you know, nothing for you guys. But if you're here long term, if you're here, like if you're going to be living here, I think just get the yearly membership, which is $500. I think that's the way to go. Okay, gonna get my workout in.